is this cough? It's 12 weeks now. I got it after bringing my sister home from the emergency room to my house overnight. I've never had bad respiratory problems or anything. And so I just kept waiting for my doctor's appointment, which is tomorrow. I keep coughing up white foamy. And when I get all of that out of my lungs, I'll get a little rest. But until I get all of that out of my lungs, I just cough, cough, cough. Sometimes if I talk or say something, it'll bring it on. If I exert the least little bit, or if I get an air conditioning, it really brings it on. I think it must be like viral pneumonia. Not for sure, but I can't breathe in without the cough. And this is what it sounds like when I'm not coughing.